My name is Larissa Sansour. I am a visual artist. I work mostly with film, but I also work with installations and sculpture. I started working with more documentary style films, and then I moved on to more fictional and sci-fi films. I was born in Jerusalem and I grew up in Bethlehem, and my work is very much informed by what's happening. I grew up under military rule, under direct occupation, and I experienced firsthand what it means to live under suppressed circumstances and to be part of a people that have been oppressed for almost 80 years now. So my work is very much informed by the political situation in Palestine. And I try to bring this, what is perceived as a local geographical problem, to a more universal context, because I think what's happening right now in Palestine affects the whole world and affects us all, and I think we all need to understand it.